Hello. Today we will be finding the cough drop marker. First, you need to go to the mountain biome. Then you have to go in this place, like down here. Then you have to type Hill Rock 3 times.
You're on the right track, but you're really wrong. What do you think Hill Rock means? Maybe you should look at the hill and see if you could find a marker. I'd say step on the rocks. Yeah, try that. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get a marker? Well, tough luck. You won't find one here. Look somewhere else. Gosh, you're persistent. Fine. Take the marker. SMH.
That's how you get the cough drop marker. Have a good day.